In the heart of the domestic wild, a quiet ritual is unfolding, one of comfort, of warmth. This is the story of creamy chicken macaroni pasta. A pot of bubbling water accepts the macaroni, each piece rigid, unyielding, but soon soft, pliable. The chicken thighs, tender, raw, full of potential, is seasoned with care. Salt, pepper, paprika, a hint of cajun powder. Simple tools of transformation. This, the first ritual in a sacred process. Now, a new ritual begins. Parmesan, firm, ancient, and proud, is slowly grated. Then comes Edam, gentle, mellow, and smooth. It too is shredded ribbons of nutty softness. In a heavy-bottomed pot, a knob of butter is introduced. It begins to melt. With a sizzle, the chicken meets the pan. Then, dry mixed herbs, oregano, thyme, basil are sprinkled in, dried yet not dormant. Proteins tighten, color deepens. A knob of butter melts slowly, golden and rich. Now, a sacred step. A spoonful of flour is introduced. Gently stirred, it absorbs the butter, forming a paste. The roux. Milk is poured in gradually, like a river feeding the land. The mixture stirs, smoothens, becoming the silken canvas of the dish. Now the cheeses arrive. Together, they melt into the roux-born sauce, thickening it, flavoring it, transforming it into liquid comfort. And then the pasta, tender, accepting. It spirals in, weaving itself through sauce, spice. Each piece of pasta is coated in a cloak of cream and cheese. The chicken returns, now golden, now proud, and at last, it is done. A monument to cream, cheese, and care. Creamy chicken macaroni.